Oh yeah, it's Land Diesel, baby. Now it's time to go get my car washed today, baby. You know, it rained and it was windy yesterday. It was all over the place, man. So it messed my car all up. And I ain't about to start my week with no dirty car, you know. So anyway, I hit up several car washes today, man. And the lines was outrageous. I'm in the car wash line right now, but I'm driving though, driving to the next location, Won a couple dollars last night at the casino, so think I should go grocery shopping again today. What we doing on the grill? Or are we grilling, Hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. It's the last bit of it, and I'm just gonna, get mine in. Keep on keeping on, you dig? Man, the weather's nice today, a little breezy though. Man, out here in Raider Nation, baby, getting it in. Peace to the nation, baby. Love always, man. Enjoy.